Based on the 2022 Frontier Crew Cab S 4x4 grade, Project 72X is a modern take on one of Nissan's most popular trucks, the Datsun 720. First introduced in fall 1979, the 720 eventually became the first vehicle assembled by Nissan in the United States when it rolled off the line of the new Smyrna, Tennessee, vehicle assembly plant in 1983. Known as the Lil Hustler, it was a bare-bones affordable truck designed for fun and was advertised as ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. For the 2022 interpretation, the design team used gray exterior tones and graphics for a sense of modern, cool attitude, a look reinforced by the white painted steel wheels, which are actually 2022 Frontier spare wheels, with Pro 4X tires. Other key modifications include a 2.5-inch lift kit with adjustable front upper suspension arms and a sport bar behind the cab.